It's Jamie, and I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways how to fix your slime if it's not very stretchy. So first you put lotion in it, and if that doesn't work, you will get a half a cup of water and just wait 30 seconds to put it in. And I'll just show you guys right now. So first put your lotion. So I have my lotion in now. So now you're just going to rub it. And you're just going to fold the sides like this. Okay, and I'll see you guys when that's done. So I had to put it in the bowl and I was just folding it and just close it and let it sit for like 30 seconds, and then it's stretchy. See? Okay, so now I'm going to get a different slime and do the water. So I'm going to treat out my slimes. It might look the same, but it's actually different. Like this one right here. Okay, so I have my slimes here. It's not that stretchy, and just a little bit, but not really. It's just big. So now I'm going to get, I have an empty container right here. I should get empty these little stars. That's from one of my other slimes. And on the table, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of water and just let that sit in there for 30 seconds. See when I get a half a cup of water. Okay, so I got my half a cup of water, and then now I'm going to put my slime in. Okay, so I got my slime in. It looks more than it was, but it's not because my slime is swimming. So now you're going to leave it in there for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Funny. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, so now I'm just going to get it out. Okay, now you're going to squeeze your slime and get all the water out. Now it should look something like this. Okay, now you're just going to be emptying out your water that you used for your slime after you squeezed all the water out of it. So I'm going to go do that really quick. Okay, so I just got done doing that, and now it's really stretchy. It's still clicky. Some of you guys were worried that it wasn't going to be clicky anymore. It is clicky, so see you next time. And if you already didn't, subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on your notifications. Bye! And also, I forgot about this. Comment down below what I should do next. Bye!